Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. First things first, we need to log in into our Zapier account or create a Zapier account. This is free and it will take you about 1 or 2 minutes. Once we are in here, you can see at the top left we have create a Zap. Zap basically means integration, so it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, on top left corner, you can write down a name of your integration. So let's actually use this and write down HubSpot to Salesforce. So if you need to reuse it or repurpose it in the future, you can find it way easier. So let's start with the trigger. The trigger will be HubSpot. Now we have a couple of events to be the trigger. Let's go with a new contact. Continue. Now we need to connect our HubSpot account into Zapier. So go ahead and sign in. Then we hit continue. Now we have additional properties to retrieve. So let's just go with a random. And then continue. Now we're done with the first step. Now in the action we have to choose Salesforce. And for the event, let's just go with create file. Continue, then choose your Salesforce account and get logged into it, just like we did for the HubSpot. Then you have to pick the file, pick the title and some kind of description, and that's it. You're now one step away from the integration. So that's it for this video. This is how you can integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. Make sure to leave a like and comment below if you have any queries. Thanks.